Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. We are group number 12, and today we are going to present our presentation informing us about the French police. Let's start with a brief history of the police organization in France. The French police system evolved from a fragmented local model to a more centralized structure. Key milestones include the establishment of Surit in 1812, its transformation into the Police Nationale in 1941, the Paris Prefecture of Police in 1966. Today, France has dual policing with the National Police and the Gendarmerie, each with a specific responsibility and jurisdiction. So, like in the Philippines, di ba sa Pilipinas, sara lang main agency. Pero sa France, there are two. The, the National Police and the Gendarmerie. Each of them has their own responsibilities, duties, and responsibilities. The National Police is formerly known as Surit Nationale. Is one of the two national police forces of France. The National Police is the the country's main civil law enforcement agency, with a primary jurisdiction in cities and large towns. The National Police comes under the jurisdiction of the Ministry of Interior and has about employees about 145,200 employees. Then, no, in simple terms, the National Police in France is like patas man kang the Philippine National Police man kang Philippines. Ang National Police kang France is the main um, civil law enforcement agency para sa PNP. 'Di ba? Ang PNP is the main enforcement agency sa Philippines. Kag ang National Police in France, ang primary jurisdiction nanda is in cities and large towns. And the other side, the gendarmerie is the hair of the Massachusetts, the oldest police force in France, dating back from the Middle Ages. The gendarmerie has influenced the culture, traditions of gendarmerie forces around the world, especially in independent countries from former French colonial empire. And these are their mandates. Their mission is to ensure the defense of national institutions and interests, the maintenance of peace and public order, and the protection of people and property. And their vision is to protect people and property, maintain law and order, and uphold the rule of law. Their motto is they are watching for their country, for the fatherland, honor, and law. And as you can see, these are the organization structure of the National Police Force and the Gendarmerie. As you can see, lain, bawal ang kinalain ka anang structure. 'Di ba? As you can see in the left side, as a National Police, ang sa babaw is the Ministry of Interior. Inasundan na kang Director General of the Police. And the other side, sa Gendarmerie, and these are the rankings of the French police force. The first one is the Corps de Conception et de Direction, Conception and Direction Corps. These are composed of Director of Active Service, Inspector General, Control General, Divisional Superintendent, and Superintendent.
Corps de Commandement et de Encadrement or Command and Management Corps. Under this, there are Commandant, Captain, Lieutenant, Lieutenant Intern, and Lieutenant students.
Corps demonstrates the application, authority, and incorporation. There included Major, Brigadier Chief, Brigadier, Garden de la Paix, Keeper of Peace, Garden de la Paix or Stranger, Keeper of Peace, and Intern. Ranking system: Army General, Corps General, Division General, Brigade General. Senior officers: Colonel, Lieutenant Colonel, and Squadron Leader or Major.
In gendarmerie, there are junior officer, captain, lieutenant, sub-lieutenant or second lieutenant, the aspirant, and officer cadets. In sub-officers, there are major or sergeant major, chief adjutant, and or warrant officer class 2, chief marshal of lodging or staff sergeant, gendarme or sergeant, reservist or gendarme.
French governance. French government is a semi-presidential republic, meaning it combines elements of both presidential and parliamentary systems. The executive power is shared between the president, head of state, and the prime minister, head of government. The prime minister is responsible to the parliament while the president is directly elected by the people. So, ang governance sa French is may dalawa kabilog nga ga-shared kang executive power, which is the president nga gina-direct nga gina-elect kang tawo, and tana man da ang head kang state. Then ang sa prime minister, which is responsible to the parliament, which is ang prime minister nga daw may ang mga kaobra ka law, may authority sa law. Then tana man niya ang head kang government. Next is the police qualification. In France, police officer qualification vary based on the specific corps. National police or gendarmerie under rank south. Generally, candidates must be French citizen aged 17 to 45 in good health and fluent in French. They also require a minimum of secondary education and a clean criminal record. Recruitment is through competitive exams with some opportunities for regional service and central level section. So, ang police qualification sa France, which is ang both nga sa national police nanda then sa gendarmerie, is kailangan French citizen ikaw, then nagaedad ikaw kang 17 to 45. Tapos dapat good health ikaw, fluent ka sa French. Tapos ka requirement dandaya ka minimum nga nakagraduate ikaw kang secondary education. Tapos dapat wala ikaw ti criminal record, dapat clean imo nga criminal record. Then ang sa recruitment nanda kaya daan competitive ikaw sa exam para may dyan nga opportunities na kumbaga makasilid ka lagi. Next is ang police qualification man gyapon pero anak kang national police. Rank within the national police are categorized into the corps, the encadrement, at the application or management and enforcement corps, and the corps the commandment or command corps. Candidates for the lower ranks, constable and sergeant, typically require a high school diploma and a competitive exam. Higher ranking officers, such as commissioner and above, have specific educational and service requirement. So, ang police qualification sa national police, may dyan natana nga 2 ranks, which is ang management and enforcement corps, then ang anak ang command corps. Para naman sa mga lower ranks, which is ang constable and sergeant, may dyan man na pa-require nanda nga kailangan nakatapos nanda kang high school. Papakita nanda ang diploma nanda nga high school graduate nanda. Next is ang National Gendarmerie. Ang police qualification sa National Gendarmerie. The Gendarmerie is a branch of French Armed Forces and has different qualification paths for commissioned officer, military personnel, and non-commissioned officers. Non-commissioned officer may also require a certain amount of service before being eligible for certain position. So, ang National Gendarmerie is parehas man sa National Police pero ang data na commission officer kag non-commission officer lang. Ang National Gendarmerie is medyan man tanda nga ginapa-require nga mga requirements para maging eligible ikaw sa amada nga position.
Training of National Police. The French National Police is a civilian force, has comprehensive training program directed by Central Directorate of Recruitment and Training of the National Police or DCR-FPL. The National Police Training School or NSP provide initial and ongoing training for high-ranking police official and at its campus in Saint-Cyr of Mont-d'Or. It also has a campus in Galens, exclusive for training the officer ranks. In Gendarmerie, National Gendarmerie, each year among 3,000 personnel, 30,000 personnel from all ranks are trained in one of 6 National Gendarmerie training schools. It is located on Melon, Montlocon, Chaumont, Richefort, Tully, Chitillon, or in the 10 technical training centers. Center High Studies, International Motorcycle, Mountain, Canine Units, Scuba Diving, or Maintenance of Law and Ordering Centers. These centers were set up to reflect training of the whole staff from institution, whether there are specialists or not. Police agency performance. The French police system, comprising the National Police and Gendarmerie, faces challenges in balancing centralized control with local community policy. The National Police focuses on urban areas and Gendarmerie primarily operates in rural regions. There is a push to reform to improve community relations and address concern about excessive force. Ang French police system comprise kada dalawa ka system, ang National Police kag ang Gendarmerie. Faces challenges para mabalanse ang maging saratan na lang sa pagkontrol ng local community policy. While ang National Police Forces naman is focuses sa urban areas, and Gendarmerie naman is nag-focus sa pag-operates kang rural regions. Ang dalawa na yan nagabuligay para ma-improve ang pag-senaryo sa ating community kag para ma-less ang mga crimes ka gatrabo sa among community or country.
That's all, ma'am. Thank you everyone for watching, and we hope that you learned something from our presentation. Thank you, everyone.